Hello everyone and welcome to Digit.in's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a quick look inside the box of the iPad Pro 11-inch. Essentially it's an unboxing video where we take a look at what do you get if you buy this expensive tablet from Apple. So let's just go ahead and start taking things apart. The box itself is very well engineered. It holds everything in place super tight. So that's commendable for Apple. They really do put a lot of effort into packaging. So once you take the top off, you have the 11-inch iPad Pro right here. So let's just take that out of the box. There is no way to sort of get your finger in there. So you may want to use a tool to just sort of pry it out of the box like I just did. Moving past the tablet, there is a little pamphlet here, a little box which has, I'm sure, instruction manuals, stickers, the likes. So there is a little introductory manual to what the iPad Pro can do, what are its specs, the usual Apple stickers, and a SIM removal tool. So that's also pretty cool. So we'll just put that back in. So that's the documentation side of things. You get a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, which is actually very, very important because not only do you use this to charge, but you also use this to connect your iPad to, let's say, a camera or any other external device for storage that you may want to use. So this Type-C to Type-C cable is actually pretty handy. And last but not the least, you also have this charging block, which is actually an 18-watt charger. So fast charger bundle in the box, which is pretty awesome. You can also use the same block to charge your iPhone if you have any of the newer iPhones that fast charge. But all you would need to do is get a Type-C to Lightning cable because this is a Type-C port over here. So you just need that, and then you can double use this as a fast charger for your smartphone as well. This is a very minimal set of things that you get inside the box. You've got a charger, cable, and the iPad itself, and that's literally it. There is nothing else included in the box. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.